Napaamin ni Defense Counsel Attorney Michael Poa ang testigong si dating COA Auditor Roderick Wamil na hindi lamang si Vice President Sara Duterte ang pangalawang pangulo ng bansa na nagkaroon ng confidential funds sa pamamagitan sa pagpapakita ng isang dokumento mula sa Department of Budget and Management or DBM na may petsang December 22, 2014. Kinumpirma ng testigo na nagkaroon nga ng confidential funds ang Office of the Vice President noong panahong iyon kung saan hindi pa Vice President si Sara Duterte. Nilinaw ito sa pagdinig upang itama ang maling impormasyon na kumakalat sa social media na tanging si Vice President Sara Duterte lamang ang Vice President na nagkaroon ng naturang pondo. Ito'y base na rin sa sagot ni Roderick Wamil kahapon sa pagpapatuloy ng impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Tuluyan ngang napaamin ni Attorney Michael Poa ang testigo ng prosecution sa pagsisinungaling nito at pagpapakalak ng maling impormasyon na tanging si Vice President Sara Duterte lamang ang nagkaroon ng ganitong pondo para lamang madiin ang pangalawang pangulo.
Pagdating naman po sa OVP 2023 confidential funds, yun po ay nasa General Appropriations Act. Do you confirm that?
Yes po.
And pagdating naman po sa DepEd 2023 confidential funds, nasa General Appropriations Act din po. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
And as a lawyer, you would know that the GAA is enacted by Congress. Tama po ba?
That's correct.
Now, yesterday, naalala ko po, natanong kayo doon sa time nyo sa ICFAO kung ilang Vice President ang na-audit nyo pagdating sa confidential funds. Alala nyo po yon?
Yes po, sir.
At ang sagot nyo po ay isa lang, si Vice President Sara Duterte, the respondent in this case. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
Tapos
Since I assumed in ICPAO in 2014.
Since you assumed in September 2014?
Yes po, sir.
Tama po. And you were asked, bakit si Vice President lang? Naalala niyo yung tanong na yun?
Yes po.
At ang sagot niyo po, kasi since you assumed siya lang po ang Vice President na nagkaroon ng appropriations for confidential funds. Tama po ba?
Yes po. Since September 2014 po na nag-assume ako.
Apo. Now, I'm showing you a document. If I may approach the witness, Your Honor.
Counsel may approach.
I am showing you a document
Assisting
entitled
counsel from the prosecutors may also approach should they so desire.
I am showing you a document, and this document is from the Department of Budget and Management, entitled Special Allotment Release Order, dated, medyo malabo lang po yung document, no? December 22, 2014. Makita niyo po yan? At ang purpose po is to cover confidential activities for fiscal year 2014. You see that?
Yes, sir.
And nung December 22, 2014, nasa ICFAO na po kayo. Tama po ba?
Anong period po yan, sir?
We have a clear here po. Date of issue, December 22, 2014.
Yes po, nasa ICPAO na po.
Tama po ba? At hindi po si Vice President Sara Duterte ang Vice President ng mga panahon na yun. Tama po ba?
Yes po. Pero na-liquidate po ba yan? That's the question.
That's the question to ICFAO actually because yun po yung, ang pinapakita ko lang sa inyo is nagkaroon po ng confidential funds ang Office of the Vice President noong 2014 issued December 22, 2014.
Based on that document po,
Meron.
Meron.
You confirm. But that's okay, no? Because maybe you were just not aware yesterday when you were asked the question. I just wanted to put that on record because marami na rin pong lumalabas sa social media na si Vice President Sara Duterte lang ang Vice President na nagkaroon ng confidential funds. But you confirm that, sir. Your Honors, just a manifestation, this has not been pre-marked. We just came upon this document yesterday after the statements were made. So upon the agreement made during pre-trial, we request that this be marked as exhibit for the defense D-167-DE. Sorry, -OVP.
Let it be so marked.
Thank you, Your Honors.